Hi, I'm Saikat and I'll show three objects which are related to my job. So the first one is a multimeter. I use this electrical multimeter every day, all the time for my experiments to check any electrical connections. So before switching on the power to an electrical connection, I need to make sure that there is no short circuit. And after switching on the power, I need to check whether the magnitude of current or voltage in each of the equipments are within allowable range or not. It is needed to make sure that the electrical circuit is safe for operation. The second object I want to show you is a Myrio. This is an this is a controller which I use every day to control various signals. In my use, I deal with electrical signals for railway operation. I configured different ports of the controller. You can see from the in the image different ports, and depending on the signals or where or how the signals will be sent or how the signals will be received, I configure these ports. I write programs. I prepare electrical connection drawings to control the ports of this controller, which in turn controls the electrical equipments. The third object I want to show you is a 3D simulation software which I use in my laptop every day. I model different three-dimensional objects, almost everything you can think of which I'll be building in future. It's a great fun to build models in computer and visualize them even before actually building them in real life. I usually work in a laboratory at an office. But often I have to go to field to carry out the experiments and check whether the tests that I have carried out within the laboratory are working as expected in real life or not. In my job, field means railway network or tracks. Uh, Suppose I have designed an electrical circuit. I designed and programmed the controller and checked within the laboratory environment that it can control the data and signals as expected. Now my job is to check whether it's working on the field or not. On the day of the field test, I need to make sure whether the connections are giving accurate results using the multimeter. Then I connect the controller to its designated area and carry on experiments. Usually these experiments continue for a day or sometimes it can take a week or more than that. But at the end of each day, I check whether I have gathered all the data necessary or not and remove the electrical connections for the safety purposes. I'm a researcher working for railway industries within a university. I work within a big team of researchers and engineers. When you travel by train, your train might be delayed due to the point failures. Points are the mechanisms on the track that controls the movement of trains in different tracks. So I am researching on developing new mechanisms to improve the points on the network, railway network, so that your trains will run on time. My job involves using 3D simulations in computer hands-on experiments in lab and in railway environment to check the improvement we have achieved. So, I studied mechanical engineering after my school. I was interested in research, so I pursued my career in research and studied for a PhD in mechanical engineering. After that, I am currently working as a researcher in the university where I am working closely with railway companies for designing future railway infrastructure. If you want to work like me, you can always take the route I have taken, or you can think of different other routes, like you can take the apprenticeship offered by different railway companies and work your way through research and development routes. If you keep on learning and share your innovative ideas, you'll definitely contribute to building a safe, sustainable, and reliable future rail network. My best wishes.
Did you guess the right answer? If you would like to find out more about this STEM career, ask questions, or learn more from a STEM ambassador, email askanambassador@canterbury.ac.uk. Thanks for watching.